Oh, you know that, don't you? You absolute fool.
Where is my phone?
You've seen me following you in, and you've done that. Obviously, you're not going to tell your fellow officers he's being an idiot.
I didn't see you come in.
I came in behind you. She seen me.
Today's video comes from DP Audits. Link below for the full clip at IN Coventry. DP Audits is calmly filming from a distance while police carry out a stop and search. But when one officer notices a camera, things escalate quickly. Instead of assessing the situation, filming is treated as involvement. What follows is a dispute over authority, judgment, and how quickly public filming can be misread during police operations.
There's 7 of you. You've been
I'm not with these. I'm not with these. I'm not with
these. You're still being detained.
I'm not being detained at all. I'm not with these. No, you're not.
Well,
you think you're getting my name and stuff? You're absolutely joking,
you're being
mate.
detained for
I am not being. I'm not. What am I detained for? I'm not with these.
You're all here.
You see me walk in there, so don't try that crap with me, mate.
You're being detained.
No, I'm not being detained. All right, sound cool.
Yeah,
cool.
You're being detained.
Cool. Make a fool of yourself.
From the start, the officer appears to form a quick assumption as DP enters the area behind a group already being searched, simply recording the interaction. Rather than clarifying the situation, the camera itself seems to trigger suspicion, and DP is treated as potentially involved without clear questioning or assessment. Legally, detention requires reasonable grounds directed at the specific individual, not just their proximity to others. The concern here is that the decision appears to be based more on assumption than on clearly established facts about DP's actual conduct.
Mate, so be careful what you do.
At this moment in time.
At this point, DP clearly warns the officer that the detention may be unlawful and could lead to a civil claim, giving an opportunity to reconsider the situation. Despite that, the officer does not appear to pause or reassess the grounds for the stop. The interaction continues without a visible change in approach. The concern raised here is that once challenged, the focus shifts away from clarification of legal basis and more toward maintaining control of the situation, rather than stepping back to review whether detention is properly justified.
This guy's an idiot. Cool.
Under Section 23
Good.
for the Misuse of Drugs Act. Right?
Brilliant.
Sit there. Stay there.
You're a clown. You're getting it. You are. This is a claim going in right now. You know that, don't you? You absolute fool.
Where is my phone?
You've seen me following you in, and you've done that. Obviously, you're not going to tell your fellow officers he's being an idiot.
I didn't see you come in.
I came in behind you. She seen me coming behind you.
Who took my phone?
Fool.
Back,
Absolute fool. What's your shoulder number and your name and where you're stationed?
You got my phone? No.
Yeah.
Officer, can you identify yourself, please? So you're not going to identify yourself?
Now, the focus shifts to accountability. The officer doesn't clearly identify himself when asked, which is usually expected during police interactions. Identification is important because it shows who is exercising authority and in what capacity. So the concern is that without clear identification, it becomes harder to verify accountability during the stop.
Told you that they're also filming either. Bet they haven't, have they? No, you know you're meant to tell them that you are filming straight away, officer.
No.
Well, yes you are. It's in your policy. What are you lying for?
No.
Look at this, guys. I'm in handcuffs by this fool here. Absolute idiot. Massive mistake.
After what's just happened?
Have another unit join corporation.
Go and bring more. Great for YouTube, fool.
The entrance near to Egan's. I've got 7 people stopped.
Fool.
Larry, there's only 3 of us.
Who's getting Larry, mate?
I'm getting Larry because they put me in cuffs when I'm not with anybody and I'm just filming the police. To let it go. That's why you have an oath.
We're by the sort of.
Don't worry, guys. I'll roast them for you, mate.
In that area there.
They're going to look great on YouTube, aren't they?
That's my days. You ready to go?
I come in to record these. That's what I do. I'm an auditor. I've got a YouTube channel, and he's just gone and done this. Don't put your hands on me, officer.
Step back, all right? You've been detained for a search under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act.
Yeah, unlawfully.
Touch him again,
Unlawfully.
all right? It doesn't matter what you think.
Oh, no, I know.
It doesn't matter. You're here.
I know.
Right? And I will get
officer.
round to you because I have.
You
other
haven't
people.
identified yourself.
I don't need to, mate.
Yes, you do.
No,
you
I don't.
fool. And I can shout all I like. You can't be harmed, harassed or distressed. Get your hands off me like that.
At the moment, all right, you are very close.
The officer uses the word obstruction as justification for the escalation. So the key question is what DP actually did. He was filming from a distance, speaking calmly, asking questions and requesting identification. Obstruction normally means actively interfere with an officer's duties. not simply recording or asking lawful questions in public. So the issue here is whether the actions being described truly meet that legal threshold.
I wasn't
Well, I'm trying to
obstructing.
deal with this. I will lock you up for obstruct.
Cool, do what you want. Worse it gets for you. Fucking idiot.
Right. You stand at the archway here.
I came in behind you. You've got to
Yeah.
identify
Yeah, no,
yourself
no, no.
first.
Yeah, no.
Identify
I'm gonna
yourself,
tell you why-
officer.
no.
Identify
No, you
yourself.
don't listen to
Yeah,
me,
it is
right?
your is the
So
rule
first
for you
of
to
all, this
identify
man stood
yourself.
at the archway and leant into the archway and told
I came in behind us.
Told everyone that the police were coming.
No, I've got it all on.
This is where the officer's account is challenged. He claims DP ran ahead and warned the group. But DP's footage reportedly shows him simply walking behind the group and recording without warning anyone, so there's a clear conflict between versions of events and becomes an evidence issue rather than assumption.
Officer, be careful, mate.
So they're all been detained and researched into section 23.
You are a fool.
That was the initial reason I came.
Liar.
There was a knife recovered.
Liar.
Right.
It's all
My
on
name's-
camera, officer.
My name's Matt Brown. So
Yeah.
I've got mine. My name's
Shoulder
Matt Brown.
number.
Right. My name's Matt Brown. Colin was 422. I'm from Coventry Central Police Station. That is my warrant card.
Yes, I know what it
I've
is.
already explained to you because you weren't listening the reasons
You just lied to your camera. I've got it on camera.
Okay, I've got it on camera as well.
You were lying. I followed you behind you on camera from over there.
Right, I've just explained on camera why you've been stopped and searching. I'm going to stop and searching. It's under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act. And that's the reason why I've explained. If you don't want to listen, you don't want to listen.
Unlawful detainment. Oh, do you know what? Carry on talking.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. There'll be a copy of the record made. I'll make a copy of the stop search. You're entitled to a copy of the next 12 months. You got anything on you that I should be...
No,
worried
officer.
about?
Do you
The officer carries out a Section 23 drug search, and nothing is found. No drugs, no illegal items, no evidence of any offense. That result raises obvious questions about the original grounds for the detention, because simply filming in a public space does not automatically create reasonable suspicion of criminal
Now,
activity.
you've called me a lot of names.
I can call you what you want.
Here, and you've been obstructing my searches.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
I said
You've been
sorry.
warned,
All right.
That's why I've had to handcuff you, to prevent you further obstructing me.
Here you go, guys. This is a tyrant for you. Lied to his camera as well, guys. Did you hear that? Followed him behind. Been in handcuffs for about 10 minutes, guys. Your nose is fucked up. He's just an idiot. So a bit of context, guys. He said that to his camera then that I've come in here and warned them beforehand, but I walked in behind them, not realising I've actually got the whole thing on camera.
No.
I followed you from. I followed him from, as you all see on the camera, from in a lower precinct from behind him.
Stood by the archway, mate.
No, it wasn't. It's all on camera, buddy. Be very careful with that, Teddy. It's my daughter's from when she was a baby. I'm taking photos of her around town all day, if that's all right with you. Or is that not allowed? You're not going to find anything, officer. You know you ain't as well. That's the worst thing about you, isn't it? And I can swear at you all I like because you're going to get a right mouthful in a minute.
Swear at me again.
What are you going to do?
All right, I'm going to
Don't pull a
arrest you.
public. No, well, you can't. You cannot be alarmed, distressed.
As the search ends with nothing found, the officer shifts toward possible Public Order Act offenses. But those laws are meant for genuinely threatening or abusive behavior, not simply filming, questioning police actions, or criticizing officers. So the issue becomes whether the threat is based on actual disorder or just frustration during an encounter.
It doesn't count to you, officer, does it? None of them are going to complain about me, are they? Fool. The reason, you're the exact reason why this happens and goes on. The exact reason, officer. Look at your face, you know it as well, don't you? It's the worst thing about you. You little piggy.
Why were you put in handcuffs?
Put in handcuffs because I said to that guy, sorry for your loss, and you grabbed my hand and then you put me in handcuffs because you're a tyrant.
That's going to be on your camera as well.
Yeah. Oh, this is going to get taken further, don't you worry. And I want my search slip before I leave as well. I'm not leaving out the search slip. You're not getting my name either. You can give me one without giving your name, and we all know that's a fact. So, I'm staying in cuffs, you know, I'm still detained because this is ridiculous.
Because at the moment, all right, the reason you're being detained is because you've tried very hard to obstruct the search of others.
No, I haven't.
And that's I want to make sure
obstruct
that
no search.
every
Lying.
search
It's all
has
on
been
camera.
completed to make sure, before I let you go, that you're not going to obstruct anyone else. And that way, I don't have to arrest you, do I? You can smoke as much as you want, mate.
You want to arrest me, don't you?
Okay. If you want to, put an application in to join. All right. Put an application in to join. Put the uniform on and come and change your...
This response feels more like deflection than a real answer to concerns being raised. People don't need to be police officers to question police conduct or hold public officials accountable. That's a basic part of transparency and accountability. The real issue isn't who DP is. It's whether the actions taken during the encounter were lawful and properly justified.
However many followers you've got, but that's not going to change anything. Put your application in, put the uniform on, and let's see.
I'd do a better fucking job than you would, I assure you.
Excellent. Then prove it and do it. Okay? Prove it and do it. If you can communicate, if you can act responsibly,
Are you still detaining me, are you?
Wait until they've sorted.
So you've not detained all of them and I'm still detained?
Yeah, I wonder
You've not found anything on me, have you?
I wonder who is the one that's been causing me the problems.
It doesn't matter if I've caused you problems. I can raise my voice in front of you. You can't call public order. You're a police officer, for starters, yeah? Right? You can't put me in handcuffs. I wasn't obstructing your search. Mate, it's all on camera. This guy's a fool, mate. He's a fool.
Well, I'm sure he's not.
Well, he is. It's all on camera.
Well,
he's not. He's a tyrant. He's an idiot.
Okay, I don't think that's true.
Well, it's completely true. It's on camera. He even lied to his little body camera, saying that I'd come ahead of them and told them that he was here when I was behind them. So he's an absolute liar. Look how desperate you are, you little piggy.
What I don't want you doing...
I fucking speak to how I want. Public order can't say shit.
Point your finger in my face. He's an idiot as well.
What claim? You just fucking detain me unlawfully.
How?
Because I was stood there recording, you seen me came in, they seen me stood there behind these, they knew that I wasn't with these guys.
Plenty of grounds to search you as far as I can see.
Well, you might as well carry on talking as well then.
I look forward to that. I look forward to the complaint as well.
Yeah?
No, that's all it's...
Oh yeah, no, wait. You're missing something, officer. Come here. Where's my search slip?
I'm going to get it from the police.
No, I want it now. I want a CAD number.
Well, I'll tell you what, I've got it here for you.
Give me my search
We
slip.
have the reference number, but we can't...
I want a copy of it.
We can't do copy.
It's all digital nowadays. You should know that, being a YouTuber.
If you
After nearly 20 minutes, DP is finally released and asks the official search record. That document matters because it records the stop and the powers used during the encounter. But even then, there appears to be reluctance and confusion about providing the full record directly. And that's why footage like this matters. Without recordings and public scrutiny, many dispute encounters would likely never be questioned afterward. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.